It's your boy Speedy Core 6 coming to you with another video, man. It is early in the morning right now. We got a banger today. We are actually taking the G on his first little POV cruise, I guess I would say, since having the built motor and the new tune and everything on the car. So yeah, we're gonna actually go meet up with a few of the homies right now at a gas station and then get going. So the car show is pretty cool. It's one of these that's out here. It has a wide variety of everything, but it's gonna be the first show with the G. So let's do it. Alright. But we are actually heading to the meetup spot right now. I've given a little sauce. But we're heading to the meetup spot right now. So I'll pick it up when we get there. Alright, we just put up to the station. Leaving everywhere. Sick ass cars here. Got no car. What's up? What's up? She wanted me to call. Got a Supra. That Senate is a 10. Car is a 250. That's the right here. Big boys. Man. That's guys here. That the homie kicks his car. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. New tires. I love how the turbo sounds against the wall on the freeway. It just sounds so good. Woo! It literally sounds like a ray gun, bro. If you play Call of Duty Zombies, you know what a ray gun sounds like, and that's and that's at idle. Like my car, at idle is quiet. Dixon's car is like super loud. Like it's like I don't know, it's like ringing. All right, guys. So we just put up to the car show. Check out some builds. All right. Got another G82 M4. Oh, this is CLS. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is CLL or CLL or something like that. CSL. The new M4s definitely grew on me. Like, these look so badass. Oh, and this is the same color that Kicks had on his car. The M340i. Bro, I'm telling you guys, I will sell the GTR to get an M4. G82. Has to be a G82 though. I don't know, Supra. No Supra on there too. Got a pink Supra. I can't even tell that's wrapped, honestly. Got an E90 M3. They're like huge, bro. Yeah, I was just about to say, like, I'm on the camera about to say, dang, you guys, I love this color right now. Really? It doesn't like baby food. Bro, look at the R8, bro.